So, the nightingale poop facials. That was the Geisha's glow secret. The origin. In Japan, geishas were known for their amazing, flawless beauty. Their skin was white and porcelain-like. They were almost like a doll. But they used very heavy makeup that was made with lead back in the day, and it damaged their skin really, really badly. So to repair and clean their skin up, they used powered nightingale droppings. Yes. So why that? Why bird poop? Well, nightingale droppings, they contain an enzyme called guanine, which has natural light reflecting and exfoliating properties. So it really cleans your face. They also have a mild cleansing effect due to the uric acid. So together they help geisha really gently remove that makeup residue, but also brighten dull, damaged skin, and also it was giving that glow. So the ritual was interesting. The droppings were dried, sanitized with UV light, then ground into a fine powder and mixed with water to create a facial mask like you would do now. And it wasn't just a skincare, it was a very prestige beauty treatment then in Japan. But it wasn't just then. Really, believe it or not, some very high-end spas in Japan, London, and even New York offered the Geisha Facial using sterilized nightingale droppings. So celebrities even like Victoria Beckham have used it. The prices are quite pricey. It's 200 to 300 per session, and you will need a couple of sessions. Another fun fact is that the poop actually doesn't smell. So you won't be walking around with like poop smelling face. It's actually without any odor. And you would ask, okay, then we used it, now we can make synthetic guanine. Why do we still do it? And while it sounds bizarre, many still swear that that specific nightingale poop leaves their skin much softer, much brighter, and much, much smoother. So it's really one of those ancient beauty secrets that survive into now 2025 luxury